Ask the bot, copy it and paste it here, and boom, $10,000 per month. Welcome to Alpha Money, where we're discussing how you can make $10,000 per month with GPT with the top viral niches for YouTube automation to make money without showing your face and without recording anything with camera as a beginner in 2023. The niche we will be using is the men's development niche, which is gaining popularity on YouTube. This niche covers a wide range of topics related to self-improvement, such as increasing self-esteem, self-confidence, and spirituality. Many creators in this niche have gone viral with their videos. If you want to create a faceless YouTube channel in the men's development niche, you can follow the example of channels like Artistic Motivation, which uses text-based videos to offer guidance and advice to its viewers. It has over 300,000 subscribers and it gains around 2 million views every month. According to Social Blade, $7,000 per month, but the default CPM of Social Blade is 25 cents to $4, so the earnings can be higher, around $10,000 per month. Like this video and subscribe if you got any value from this video. It will appreciate it. So step 1. Find the video you want to remake, and for that you should choose a video that has got higher views than other videos that has been posted in less than a month. But for this, we will take this video as an example, so click the video, then copy the title, and then we will head to GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, which is a type of language processing model developed by OpenAI, and paste the title with a little more correction, and there you go, it will write the entire script. But you can also try this other method. For that, click the 3-dot then transcript, and you can copy and paste this in GPT, and you can give command to rewrite the YouTube script, and it will summarize the content, and will also give you the script, but this comes under stealings. So I totally recommend you to use this to make your YouTube script more detailed and combine it with the previous generated script, and there you go. You have the script for which you have to spend hundreds of dollars if you had hire a person from Fiverr or Upwork. Step 2. The voiceover. You can use Well Said Labs, so just copy your script and paste it here, and you can choose voice from a whole lot of choices and then click Create. Then you will get your voiceover completed like this.
The Art of War is an ancient Chinese military treatise written by Sun Tzu, a high-ranking military general, strategist, and philosopher. The text is composed of 13 chapters.
But this is a paid software, and as an alternative, you can use natural readers, which gives you 5 minutes of time per day, and the voiceover sounds like this.
The Art of War is an ancient Chinese military treatise written by Sun Tzu, a high-ranking military general, strategist, and philosopher. The text is composed of 13 chapters.
But there is one disclaimer that there is a 50-50 chance YouTube might not monetize your channel if you use AI text-to-speech from the beginning, because I have seen some change getting demonetized because of text-to-speech, and I had also seen channels getting monetized, but you have to use a really high-quality text-to-speech voiceover. But there is always 50-50 chance. So unfortunately, it's up to you. Like this video and subscribe if you got any value from this video. It will appreciate it. Now we got the script and voiceover, we will head to edit the video, and for that you can use free website like InVideo, IO, or Pictory. And for this we will use InVideo, and you can just select text to video option and paste your text here. Then you will get a video made with text, but the stock videos or fonts will not be appropriate a lot of time because it's an AI. So you can swap the images or video from their library of videos, or use your own from gallery. And still, if you are not satisfied, you can use software like InShot or VN, which both are free to use, and for stock footage, you can go in sites like Pexel or Pixabay.com for high-quality free stock videos. And there you can make your own cash cow channel with GPT and earn $10,000 per month with ease. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel and turning on post notifications. By subscribing, you'll get notified every time we post a new video, so you won't miss out on any of our content. And if you really like the video, please don't forget to hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. Thanks for your support. We really appreciate it. See you in the next video.